A city to live, play and invest. The city of Ekurhuleni, a city focused on strengthening social cohesion with the pursuit of prosperity for all its residents. It is a city where you can live, play and invest. The city of the future. This futuristic city models the home to approximately 3.4 million people, with a renowned claim of being the manufacturing hub of South Africa. But there is much more to this developing city. As Africa's first aerotropolis, the city of Ekurhuleni is filled with over 238 lakes, dams, world-class casinos, entertainment centers, including premium lifestyle estates and world-class golf courses. The city is also home to OR Tambo International Airport, the busiest airport in Africa, serving the entire continent and linking to major cities across the globe. Many of the world's leading airlines fly into the airport. Supporting this is a network of roads, rail lines, telephone, electricity and telecommunication grids that rival first world countries. Infrastructure supporting well-established industrial, commercial and residential complexes.
Welcome to the city of Ekurhuleni, Africa's first aerotropolis city. The city has adopted the economic transformation trajectory underpinned by the 10-point plan, which include, amongst others, manufacturing revitalization, the aerotropolis master plan implementation, the acceleration of IDZ-SCZ program, land availability for strategic development. The Aerotropolis Master Plan is a very important strategic document that will help us to promote freight and logistics next to the airport, given our strategic location into the OR Tambo International Airport. So we want to attract investors within those particular sectors in order to boost manufacturing in our space. Manufacturing constitutes about 20.5% of our sector. Therefore, it is very important not just for us as a city, but for the province and the country and the continent at large. So it's important that we make sure that all strategies are towards ensuring that we revitalize the manufacturing, because it's an engine for growth in the city of Ekurhuleni and the country.
Live. A city so good you want to live, play and invest. The city of Ekurhuleni is host to some of the country's most exquisite lifestyle estates, such as the ever-alluring Serengeti and Ibotse golf and country estates, with family-friendly community recreational parks for the little ones like Giluli's Farm and Germiston Lake. Also on offer are extensive road transport and Wi-Fi connectivity, with a network of libraries and a range of prestigious shopping experiences such as Bedford Centre, East Rand Mall, Eastgate Mall, Festival Mall and Lakeside Mall dotted across the city. Play. Theatre, historical museums, heritage sites and a number of driving ranges and golf courses are on offer, including the spectacular Glendower, which annually plays host to the SA Open Golf Tournament. You will also find some of the country's best casinos and entertainment facilities in the city, including the likes of Emperor's Palace and Carnival City. Beautiful culinary spots with a range of family entertainment and park activities such as Wild Waters Adventure Park and Festival Mall Ice Rink. And let's not forget the ultimate IMAX cinema experience at Eastgate Shopping Centre. On a monthly basis, the city is also host to the Ekurhuleni Jazz Comes Alive event, which features leading jazz and contemporary artists from around the country. Invest. As mentioned, the city is home to OR Tambo International Airport, Africa's biggest and busiest airport on the continent, as well as being the manufacturing hub of the country, with a significant logistics corridor along the R21 highway. The city boasts an extensive transport network across rail, road and air, with the Giluli's interchange being the busiest in the southern hemisphere and Germiston Railway Hub one of the busiest on the continent. the city has the infrastructure to support investments like Prasa Gibela Rolling Stock Development, Lord's View Industrial Park, and the Denel Aeronautics Aviation Hub, Riverfield Industrial and Residential Development, as well as the Tambo Springs Inland Port.
We believe through the effective implementation and rollout of the Erythropolis Master Plan, the potential and capabilities of the city will beam through. We hope to see you more living, playing, and investing in our city.
Come live, play, invest in Ekurhuleni, the Aerotropolis city.